Hey everyone, my name is Craig and I am the Archi-Tech guy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the white space from a logo. So in this example, my goal is to take this Archi-Tech guy logo and place it on the art museum picture. As you can see, this logo has a bunch of white space that I'm not really wanting on that logo for the image, so I'll go through the steps on how to transfer that over. So I just opened this up from a PNG, so it came in with a locked background layer, and that is fine. So what I'm going to do is just click and drag this up to the Art Museum tab, and then drag my mouse down somewhere in the middle and let go, and it copies that image over onto this Photoshop file. So it came in as layer 3. I'm just going to rename that logo. Alright, so to remove the white space, the easiest way to do that is to change the blending mode from normal to multiply, and that just takes all the white pixels on that layer and makes them transparent. So that's scenario number 1, which is the easiest, and this works best for black and white images. If you have some color in there, it turns it a little transparent, so then if this was red, you'd kind of have some red bleed through there, which isn't always ideal, but in this case it works just fine. So I'm going to undo those moves and then show you another way to do this. Another way is to take the magic wand tool. So if you select that, there's basically 2 ways I can go about deleting the white space from here. So since contiguous is on, any of the white pixels that I click, it'll select everything that's touching. So I'll just go ahead and show you that example. So I just clicked in there and then hit delete. So as you can see, it kept everything that wasn't touching that outside white pixel space. So if I wanted to delete everything, I'd have to go through and manually delete inside those ovals and the triangle for the A. So not the best case scenario here, but still gets the job done. And then the other way is if I'm still on that magic wand tool, I can uncheck contiguous, and now when I click, it'll take and select any white pixel on this layer, regardless if it's touching or not. So I can click that and hit delete, and then if I hit Control D, that'll deselect everything. And as you can see, all the white space is gone behind the image, and I can drag that anywhere I want. So those are a couple of quick ways on how to delete the white space from a logo. My name is Craig, I'm the Archi-Tech guy, and thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time.